Hello friends, I hope everyone's doing well and enjoying the long weekend that we are having currently in the market. So in the last week market analysis video, we have discussed about the Nifty and जैसे कि Nifty ने breakout दिया था on hourly time frame chart, but that breakout had failed and in the last week मतलब हमारा जो है stop loss वो hit हो गया था in Nifty. So you can check out this video and now we will be seeing about what can happen in market in upcoming week, and also there are some stocks that we have shortlisted for the next week, and we will check those. We will check the setup as well, and we will also see what the sector rotation sheet is showing us. So let's start with the market analysis video. So this is a Nifty daily time frame chart, and हमने यहाँ पे already दो ट्रेंड लाइन बना दिए. सो ये जो अपर ट्रेंड लाइन है उसमें से अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे निफ्टी ने ब्रेकडाउन दे दिया है इसके नीचे, एंड पॉसिबली वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम डाउन मूव इन मार्केट एज वेल. जो आफ्टर दिस ब्रेकआउट द मेजर सपोर्ट that we are expecting in market is at this level, which is around 17,380 or 400 levels. So this can be one of the major support for Nifty in the downside. And if Nifty closes above this blue trend line, which will be at around 18,000 level, then we might see a huge short covering rally as well in market, because there are many call short writers at this level, and those will run to cover their position. So we can see a good short covering rally. So just wait and watch. As of now, the view is slightly bearish, and we can expect lower levels, which is around 17,400 in Nifty, which is the lower trend line as of now. And if Nifty closes above 18,000 level, then only we can expect a good up move as well. So the strategy and what one should do is one can keep their position light as of now, and prefer not to buy any stocks right now. But I would suggest just keep some stocks in watch list. Let them give some breakout above the current level, and then look to accumulate those stocks. Also, if Nifty gives a close above 18,000, then you can start buying stock, because at that time we can expect some good upside rally as well in the market. So this is the point at which you'll be getting confirmation that this downtrend will that this breakdown had failed, and we can see a good up move as well in the market. So this will be the strategy for Nifty. And अगर अभी हम बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में देखेंगे, so let's see the बैंक निफ्टी. So in Bank Nifty, I had drawn two trend lines. एक जो है horizontal line है, which was the previous all-time high level, जो कि Feb में बना था, and अभी जो है trend line, जो blue वाला trend line, it is a support trend line. So first we will see this yellow trend line, and let's ignore this blue trend line right now. So यहाँ पे जो है resistance है निफ्टी को previously, and यहाँ पे resist किया था निफ्टी ने, again यहाँ पे वापस से was a good resist, यहाँ पे breakout देके we had seen a good rally as well. उसके बाद now निफ्टी is retesting the previous all-time high level, and जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, so यहाँ पे एक sort of doji बना है at this level. So the strategy, or we will also discuss about the blue line as well now. So right now, if we just so in case of the blue line support line, it is a support line, and यहाँ पे जैसे multiple support लिए थे, यहाँ पे support था, यहाँ पे took support, then again यहाँ पे, and then now it is trying to take support at this level as well. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक doji बना है. So what we can do is we can just mark this candle high, and because यहाँ पे double support available है, एक तो previous all time high level है, and again the second one is the trend line. So we can just mark the level, which is the all time high level. Which is the doji's high. So this will be, so 38 to 233 will be the crucial level for us. And if Bank Nifty closes above this level, which is 38 to 33, and then we will be getting confirmation that Bank Nifty is ready for an upside rally now, and then we can go long with our position in Bank Nifty or banking stocks as well. So one can wait for the confirmation of breakout above 38 to 133 in Bank Nifty case. And also in that case, जो हमारा stop loss रहेगा, so it will be this candle low, which is around which can be seen from here. So the low is around 37,748, which is, we can round it off to 37,700 in that case. So the trading plan in Bank Nifty will be buy only about 38,200 if Bank Nifty closes above दिस लेवल एंड जो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा इट विल बी 37,700 एंड जो हमारा टारगेट अपसाइड टारगेट दैट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इज दिस लेवल व्हिच इज 40,100 एंड the second target is 40,800. So these are 41,800. So these are the two targets that one can keep for in Bank Nifty. Now let's see the sector rotation sheet. So I'm currently working on this sheet and just modified some algorithm. Abhi, I will be sharing this sheet very soon with all my friends as promised earlier. So I will be sharing it I will be creating first a video and then I will be sharing the link so that it can be accessed by everyone and I will be doing this for free. So just if you want this sheet very soon, so you can just hit the like button of this video so that we will upload it as soon as possible on our YouTube channel and we will upload it before this month end. So just give some time, so we will upload the sheet as well. So जैसे कि यहाँ पे अभी हम सेक्टर्स के बारे में देख रहे हैं, so all the sectors currently is negative and except the Nifty FMCG which is a no trade, it is in no trading zone currently. So abhi as of now many sectors are all sectors are negative because of the negative sentiments in market. So we will avoid this thing. But अगर हम stock watch list में देखें तो there are few stocks that are positive as well. तो यहाँ पे one can check all these stocks for short to medium term. And some of the stocks are ACC, Apollo Hospitals, Biocon, Petronet, TV Today, Ultratech Cement. So these all stocks one can track for short term, and if you want, you can share us the chart with us as well on the Twitter profile or on the comment section of this video, so that we can all study together as well. So this is about the sector rotation sheet. Now we will start about the stock that we have shortlisted for next week. So just to give an update that currently many stocks are like falling as of now, and it is like catching a falling knife, which is not advisable in the market. So first thing, do proper due diligence in the setup. पहले stocks के बारे में देखो and then check your own setup. And if you are confident enough, then only take position. Don't take any position blindly. So this is highly advisable from my side, and that I will be sharing the setup and everything, so you can watch. You can stay tuned and listen to everything. So let's start. So first off is Tasty Bite Eatable. If everyone like जैसे इसके पहले हमने video बनाया था when it was at around 20,000 level. So still I am holding this stock in my long-term portfolio and I have averaged it a bit. So जो इसमें हमारा सेटअप है, so this was a previous all time high level previously. तो ये जो level है which is this blue line, so यहाँ पे इसको resistance था पहले, तो यहाँ पे जैसे एक resistance, यहाँ पे वापस resistance and यहाँ पे it had given a breakout and then we had seen a retest as well, and इसके बाद it had again retested it here and उसके बाद हमें straight we have seen a good up move as well. अभी अगर हम देखें, so it is now retesting this previous breakout region जो पहले जो था, and it is current जो breakout level it is around 13,500 to 13,700 level. So this is the previous breakout level which can act as a demand zone for stock as well. So one can watch this stock as well for short term. And अगर हम correction देखें इसमें कितने % का correction हुआ तो from this level, if you see the correction, then it is around 37% correction from its all time high. So Nifty to as of now had corrected hardly around 5 to 6%, but जो Tasty Bite Eatable it had corrected around 37%, so which is a good correction in some small cap, mid cap, and other stocks as well. So one can track Tasty Bites Eatable for short term. And जो हमारा trading plan रहेगा, so अभी अगर हम देखें तो in the last trading day यहाँ पे इसने sort of hammer बनाया था, which is a bullish sign as well. So one can wait for a breakout above this level, which is the high of this hammer level, and we will just wait for a breakout above 14,000 level. हमने इसको round off कर दिया currently, and we will wait for the breakout. So one can add at current price, which is 13,700, or one can wait for 14,000 level, breakout above 14,000 level, and the stop loss in this will be 12,000. And जो हमारा target इसमें रहेगा, it will be 18,000 and 2,000 level, 18,000 20,000 level in this. So हमारा trading जो plan है इसके अंदर, so buying can be done at current price or at 14,000 level. जो stop loss है it is at 12,000 level, and जो target है हमारा इसमें it is 18,000 and 20,000 plus in this stock. So this is about Tasty Bites. So let's see the next stock, which is Balaji Amines. So I have just opened the Balaji Amine chart, and I will just open the 200 days EMA. So जैसे कि so I had updated some names in chemical sectors, chemical stocks that are looking good to accumulate. So one of them was Balaji Amines, and I am just sharing the reason here for buying the stock. So पहले तो है कि it is now trade, it had approached its 200 days EMA. This blue line is 200 days EMA, and यहाँ पे इसने अच्छा सा सपोर्ट लेके it has given a good bullish candles as well. यहाँ पे तो bullish candles हैं, and जो red candles बनी है, it is volumes below average. So so this is a good opportunity to buy Balaji Amines as well. And अगर हम इसमें correction देखें from its all time high level, so it had corrected by almost 44% in just around 2 months. So it had given a decent correction as well from its peak. So this can be a good time to accumulate Balaji Amines at current price, which is 3159 level or 3160. And in previously यहाँ पे भी इसने एक बार 200 days EMA पे support लिया था. So just see how it follows 200 days EMA. यहाँ पे एक support लिया था. Then because of COVID crash, it went down. And यहाँ पे again it took support, and 200 it respects 200 days EMA level very nicely. So you can just check this setup as well on your TradingView terminal or any other this thing on a broker terminal as well. So other stock is Balaji Amines, and the buying price will be at around 3160. The stop loss है हमारा it will be at around 2700, and the target it is around 4050 and 5220. So this is the another stock for that can be tracked for short term, and this stock is solely for positional trade and not for short term, very short term trade that one is expecting if they will buy and hold for only 1-2 weeks. It is not for those people. So buy, track this stock and check only if you can accumulate this for longer horizon as well. So this is about the Balaji Amines, and the last stock for today is and the last stock is Alembic Pharmaceutical. So there are two Alembics. So this one is trading at around 760 level as of now, and it had also seen a decent correction in market. अगर हम corrections percentage terms में देखें, so it had corrected by almost 37% in just in short term, and currently it is consolidating and forming a good base. So it is a weekly time frame chart first of all, and जो यहाँ पे blue line it is the yellow, it is the 200 days EMA. And apart from this, यहाँ पे जो है इसका previous all time high level था, which was formed in around 2015. तो the level was around 791, and इसने यहाँ पे breakout दिया था. And अभी अगर हम देखें, so it is now retesting this breakout region again. So currently it is trading below the breakout region. So one can wait for close about 791 or 792 in that case, and then go ahead and buy this stock. Otherwise, one can start buying or accumulating this stock at 760 level, which is the current price. जो हमारा stop loss है, it will be at 650, and जो target रहेगा, it will be 1000. First target will be 1000, second target will be 1150 in this case. And the reason for buying is the stock is trading near the 200 days EM, and it is consolidating near this level. So one can track Alembic Pharmaceutical as well for short term. So this is all about the market analysis video, and also we have discussed some of the stocks that are looking good for short term, and we have also discussed about the sector rotation sheet, and this is all about today's video. And अगर आपको if you have learned anything from this video, and if you feel like sharing it with others as well, then do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also learn from the analysis that we are sharing here. And there is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.